Hi, I'm Harvey from HPM Tint and Audio Solutions. We are an exclusive distributor of V-Kool window films. We are a premium specialty shop and we exclusively carry V-Kool window films. V-Kool window films are films made from the USA. It is actually the most expensive tint in the world because it is a proprietary military technology that was originally used in the US stealth bomber. Nag-reflect po siya ng heat rather than absorbing it. And it is only the window film that can allow visible light to penetrate without the heat affecting you. V-Kool, being a premium brand, also has an SPF rating of 200. The last time we checked, the lotion that has the highest SPF rating was as SPF 90, and if I remember it right, it was around 3,000 pesos in a premium mall that I checked. With V-Kool also, we also have variants which are very dark outside, but from inside you can see very clearly as if you have no tint at all, or you don't have any shade of tint at all. We are different from other shops because we have a controlled environment and mas meticulous kami sa pag-install ng window film sa car ninyo. And our only business is tint installation, so we are not a jack of all trades, but we are a master of one. Mas okay gawin dito sa facility namin yung tint installation because number one, having a controlled environment, mas malinis po yung installation sa car ninyo, and we can assure you na dust-free yung installation as compared if you will install it outside or sa inyong bahay, kasi we have all the equipments here and the shop is air conditioned, so basically your car is being pampered while we do the installation. Here's how we do it. First off, we will first clean your glasses because para yung if there are other adhesives or something left of your old tint, we clean the glass first, we clean the windows first. We wrap all surfaces with different covers. We have covers for the dashboard, covers for your steering wheel, covers for your seat, covers for your sidings to protect your electronic windows. We also have covers for your rear panels. We gently take the film and we heat it para makuha namin yung contour ng window because some windshields are circular in shape. You might not notice it, pero pag tinignan po ninyo, it's kinda circular. We heat it so that we can get the contour of the windows, especially the windshield for the front and the windshield for the rear. After heating your windows, what we do now is we carefully install the window film. It is installed from inside your car. So sa loob po siya ng car. We use rubber squeegees. We don't use metal, what you call in Tagalog is metal paleta, which you will see in Banawe. Iniiwasan po namin magasgasan yung interior ninyo, lalo yung mga salamin po ninyo. As we install the tint, we gently use a solution, a soapy water solution, in which we use non-abrasive materials, non-reactive materials, non-acidic materials to install the V-Kool tint in your car. After installing the tint, we carefully inspect everything before we release the car to you. Please come and visit us. We are HPM Tint and Audio Solutions. We are located along D. Tuason Street in front of St. Teresa's College. We are the parallel street of Banawe, very near Quezon Avenue. We have lots of promos here. For example, we have promos for our premium dark tints in which madilim po siya sa labas pero maliwanag siya from the inside. We have very special packages. Please look for me and we would be very glad to assist you.